Okay, here's my new inner cook ingredients. So, and technically now from agriculture for one. Right, and technically now from agriculture starts for one. Okay, so I need to raise my temperature and so then every day to go until agriculture starts for one. Okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get more and then cook. Just quiet.